Hi guys, my name is Joaquin de la Vega and I want to say you welcome to this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is Delav Cashflow. It's based in all the tools, in all the knowledge, in all the values you need to generate a profitable online business. It's real value that generate real results. And in this video, we're gonna teach you one of our best Delav Cashflower, that is James, will teach you how to create a complete sales funnels process and an overview of the best online software to create sales funnels and start building your online business with affiliate marketing, online courses, ebooks, webinars, e-commerce. We're gonna teach you everything about these topics and to success with any online business and sell any what you want, okay? And if you like this value, please subscribe, hit the button to help us, to help more people around the world to the family they deserve, the life they want, and the marriage they want, okay? Thank you and enjoy.
Hey guys, I'm James from Delav. Today's video, we're gonna talk about the overview of a ClickFunnel. What you're gonna expect on the inside, how to get started, to know the different setting, the different options that you have inside, and it's gonna be amazing. When you click this icon over here, you'll see your dashboard. You'll see all this stuff, visitors, pages, funnels. You'll see different stats of your business. If you don't know how to create funnels, this is something that I want you to understand. In order for you to master funnel creation, it's not something that you will learn on a 10-minute video. You have to do it every single day to become a master. Like in anything else in life, you want to master email marketing, paid advertising, you want to master funnel creation, well then you actually spend some time, invest some time every single day in practice. I've been using ClickFunnels for a year now, and it's taken me some time to master once you get familiar with these tools. Making money online, growing your business regardless of what niche you're in. It's not so much simple, and also find out that it's one of the best softwares out there in the market. First of all, when you click this icon over here, it's pretty much the notification tabs. And if you have something to set up over here regarding your account or something, you're gonna see notifications. If you wanna search something on your account, a specific account, you want to search something specific, maybe a page, you can actually search for that in here. You'll get the results just like that, a quick search. If you want to get help, click this icon over here and you will see all the documents. ClickFunnels has amazing support. They reply really fast. They get your requests and fix your requests pretty easily. At the same time, they have an amazing training. They have already all the training you need, step by step, every single details that you ever need to get your funnels up and going. They have it over there. If you want to learn about custom domain, if you want to learn about maybe a payment gateway, just hit the enter and boom. You'll see pretty much the integrating payments gateway. How to actually get paid, you're gonna choose gateway. You're just gonna choose gateway that you use to process payments. If you wanna accept payment from PayPal, you choose PayPal. They will show you exactly on how to integrate PayPal with your ClickFunnels. You have that integrated PayPal with your ClickFunnels that you can pay immediately. How to create buttons. So the training itself is priceless. All the free training you'll get, it's really amazing. Now, going back to the actual platform, in your account, you're gonna have different details. Account details. You're gonna be going your information, you're gonna be seeing pretty much your subdomain. You can have your subdomain over here where your funnel will be hosted. Now, this means that every new funnel you create, use this domain. So in this case, joaquindelavega.ecom.clickfunnels.com. If I don't want people sending on this domain, I can create a custom domain. Let's say you have a fitness business that is like a fitness business company.com. Then you actually create a funnel where the URL and the domain is like start.fitnesscompany.com. It is your domain. Don't worry. You can change it all over again. It's all good, right? Then you have an account billing here, but I'm gonna go over there because I have my payment method. Here, we're gonna see page templates, digital assets, and integration. Things related to different software you can integrate over here. As you can see, I have 3 softwares integrated: HTML form, ClickFunnels internal, Aweber. You can integrate to any software out there. ClickFunnels is one of the best universal software that you can get. It's like getting an iPhone, right? Pretty much app works on the iPhone. This is just because it's very universal. It's the same thing with ClickFunnels. And that is the reason why you should get a software that is known with a lot of people and very popular, because it's allow you to integrate seamlessly on different platforms. Some platform or some software won't integrate with certain payment gateway. They won't just integrate with certain email marketing software. But in ClickFunnels, you don't have to worry about that. Apart from that, you can integrate your domain like I told you. Let's say you want to create a funnel that's all about business. Instead of sending people the domain fitness.clickfunnels.com, you can actually create and upload your own domain such as start.myfitnesscompany.com. Let's see that your domain, you can send people over there. You'll just create a subdomain, and it's very simple to add. Just click the add new domain, and now you can use that domain to host all your funnels. Meaning that pages that you created on your funnel, those will be hosted on the domain you choose. And if you want to create funnel about cooking, no problem. You'll just add your new cooking domain and your pages, and it's gonna be hosted on a cooking domain you created. Also, you can have managers in your account. I mean, it's just amazing. You can have people create funnels for you. If you don't know, or maybe hire someone that can build a funnel for you, and people will just work on your account. This is the part I usually hang out, funnel button. When you hover your mouse in the button, you will see funnels, sales, contacts, funnel marketplace, build funnel. You can actually build a funnel here on this blue button and actually buy a funnel on a funnel marketplace. In a ClickFunnels, it's really cool. They actually create a funnel and test it, and if it works, they sell them to you. So just in case if you don't know how to create your first funnel, you can actually buy a funnel here and use them. If you are planning to have a webinar, you can buy a webinar funnel. Here, you just change the images, text, if you want to add videos. If you want to launch a product, you can have a funnel template and upload your product, change the images and text. That's pretty much very easy to do, and it's really amazing. So let's go back to the funnel part over here. You go to the sales and see the sales you generated and purchases. As you can see in ClickFunnels, you do anything you use. It is like an email marketing software. It's like a sales platform to send people to a sales page. You can also use to host your own trainings. You can put your own domain. Let's go to the browse funnel. This page is where you can see all your funnels. So in this case, if we click this, it takes us to different steps. As you can see, it's very neatly and organized. From opt-in, and this opt-in page is where people enter their names and email address, and after, you will see a thank you page. Let's go back to the opt-in page. There's a button stats here. You can see the stats, and you will know how many entered their emails addresses, how many click the button and reach the thank you page. And remember, when you're creating funnels, when you're into marketing, just remember that tracking is a key. If you don't track, it's like being blind. You have to understand how to track. You can see this section, contracts and settings. And in the settings, you can actually modify of the funnel itself, because every single funnel has a specific setting section you can edit for that specific funnel. You can also find a setting over the funnel over here. change the domain. If it's a cooking domain or a fitness domain, all that stuff you can do it in the settings section. And if you want to edit your funnel, just go to the steps, and if you want to edit the opt-in page, just click the edit page button and you're able to change the opt-in page. Here, you can change the headline, literally drag and drop, which is everything is drag and drop like nothing else related to coding. As you can see, if I want to change the headline, I just click here and type the headline I want. If your niche is fitness, just put the headline and anything you like. And if you want to change the color of the button here, just click the button and scroll down and change the color you want. If you want to change the font size, I go here and change the font size of the button. So easy. And if I want to add some testimonials, I will add a new row over here. And if you want to have 1 column, 2 columns, it's going to be divided into 2, and so on and so forth. As you can see, it's very simple. ClickFunnels is divided into 3 main parts. The first part is the green or the section. The second part is the blue or the rows. For the third part is the orange or the elements. And if you go to the little section over here, each step of the funnel is a different setting section. As I told you, every funnel has a specific settings. Over here, as you can see, integration. This is where you can integrate your email marketing software. It means that this is the part where you can get email address, names, phone numbers of the people that visit your opt-in page. Paste the Facebook pixel code and track information from Facebook. You can paste it here. You can change the general settings of the page. You can change the URL of the page. You can save it as a template. Change the typography, the background color. Everything is drag and drop. As you can see, it's very easy to use. And where you're gonna editing your page, just go to the preview button over here. Apart from that, guys, that's pretty much it. Very easy, so simple. If you want to go to our website, we offer you a free $29,000 online courses with free values. Just type on the URL delavfunnelhacks.com.